The answers that the all-electric model gives to the questions of modern cosmology may seem radical and far-fetched at first hearing. They are in stark contrast to gravitational cosmology. But the all-electric model is far from new. After noting a link between magnetic storms on Earth and sunspots, William Herschel wrote to famed naturalist Michael Faraday in 1852.
We stand on the verge of a vast cosmical discovery such as nothing hitherto imagined can compare with.
160 years later, we are still on that verge. But the true cosmological pioneers of the 20th century opened the door to the work of today's plasma physicists. Their electrical explanations are so all-encompassing and yet of such simple elegance that it will not be long before they will in most cases completely replace the childlike models of gravitational cosmology. New, fascinating findings will follow, as well as practical applications. In 1996, for example, NASA had the Space Shuttle deploy a satellite with a metal cable connecting it to the shuttle. The aim was to test the possibility of generating electricity. Immediately, an enormous electric current was created in the tether, which was up to 10 times stronger than NASA employees had predicted. As a result, the tether burned out and became loose.
The tether has broken at the boom. The tether has broken and is going away from us. Get it on the TV, Claude. Please get it on the TV. The tether has broken.
The large amount of electricity in the vicinity of the Earth had once again surprised NASA. When we learn to tap into the tremendous electric currents that come out of the Milky Way and power our sun and earthly weather, we have an unlimited source of energy. The ingenious electric pioneer Nikola Tesla foresaw this when he said,
"Throughout space there is energy. It is a mere question of time when men will succeed in attaching their machinery to the very wheelwork of nature."
This is one of the prospects that the all-electric model holds for our future. We just have to learn to connect our electric civilization, which is already over 100 years old, to the cosmic power grid. In the nearly 3 hours of this documentary, we have been looking at many things from a completely new perspective. Not once did the mathematicians appear, who stand in front of scribbled blackboards in popular cosmology shows and deal with abstract, outlandish concepts. We have become accustomed to seeing almost exclusively computer simulations in these shows. In contrast, a model that draws its findings from laboratory experiments, and that does not have to resort to new theoretical crutches for every new observation, can look at and explain the spectacular images of modern astronomy in detail in the knowledge of its own strength. A picture of the interconnectedness of the cosmos emerges, in which all celestial bodies, from the smallest chunk of ice in Saturn's rings, to planets and stars, to galaxies and galaxy clusters, are parts of a gigantic cosmic discharge process. Who can look up to the heavens and not discover everywhere the grandiose glow of our all-electric cosmos?